Governor Eric Holcomb announced a new program that he says will help reduce the number of opioids prescribed to Hoosiers.
The plan is to stop overprescribing and overdosing. Indiana State House Bureau Chief Eric Feldman explains.
Many Hoosiers are getting doctor's notes for prescription drugs. The state reports more than 1 million prescriptions in June of this year alone. And while doctors and pharmacists can track patients' medical records and prescription history online, pharmacists say they've been separate logins, and it's been hard to tell when a patient has last received a prescription.
Given just a couple of minutes to be thinking about the appropriateness of the therapy for the patient.
A challenge to see if another dose is necessary or if a patient has abused prescription drugs before.
You're thinking through a lot of these different pieces and parts because it's just given to you as a list.
This afternoon, Governor Holcomb announced the online system Inspect is being upgraded statewide, so with one click, doctors and pharmacists can see medical history and when their prescriptions are supposed to run out.
More confident in the assessment that you're making. You know that you have the information available regarding safety, so you're given a score that helps you know in a couple of seconds this is somebody who's at risk of potentially having a dosage that is too high.
The hopes are high.
We hope it will increase searches, save lives.
It's going to help us all. That's what it's all about. It's going to help doctors, it's going to help patients, it's going to help taxpayers.
Last year, the Richard M. Fairbanks Foundation reported nearly 300,000 Hoosiers used opioid pain relievers for non-medical use, making you 40 times more likely to become a heroin addict. Drug overdoses killed more than 1,000 Hoosiers in 2014, but state leaders are hoping that this can help this trend head south.
We have to stop the problem at its source, really, to stop addicts before they become addicts.
Indiana State House Bureau Chief Eric Feldman, News Channel 15.